Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie a quick release knot. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I'm going to be attaching the knot around something. So you want to get your cord or your string and loop it around that thing. Now we essentially have two ends to worry about here. We have the end that is the end and we have the end that is the middle. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our middle and we are going to create a loop. Okay, so the end that's the middle, we're going to go ahead and create just a very simple loop, just as you can see right here. Once again, I'm going to try that one more time, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a loop. As you can see right here, we've created the loop around the middle portion, and then we're going to send the rest of this middle over the end. Okay, so the rest of this middle goes over the end and then wraps around, and you want it to end up behind this original loop. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get this end right here, which is essentially the middle that we were talking about before. We're going to create another loop. Okay, so because we've created another loop, put the new loop through the original loop from back to front like that. Okay, and now what we can do is we can just tighten it up. So as you can see, we've done that. Now we're just going to tighten it up. What you want to do is just kind of continue pulling on the ends, and it's going to tighten up really nicely, just like this. Just give me one quick moment, like that. All right, so now we've created this knot, and here's the benefit of this knot. Basically, this side can pull as hard as they want, and it's not going to be able to be released. So as you can see, all they can do is they can essentially tighten it up if they pull on this. So this part right here can be pulled. I can really pull this as hard as I want. I'm really pulling on this, and nothing's going to happen, right? It's not going to be released. However, this other side allows you to release it, okay? So you can see right here, I can see the end of it really, but this could be the middle basically. But if you pull on the other side, it's going to allow it to be released. So once again, if I pull on this one, I believe it'll be released. Just like that. So that's a quick release knot that's really easy to do and really easy to memorize. It's used for many different things, but it's super useful for essentially having one side that holds tightly, but then the other side, if you pull on it, it can release the knot. That is it. Very useful. I learned this actually, just to be fairly clear, for full disclosure, I learned this when I was learning to deal with horses and horseback riding, and just how to secure the horse to the stable momentarily. So yeah, that's basically how I learned it. But like I said, as far as I know, I'm not a knot professional, but there are many different uses for it. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.